Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can buy crypto on KuCoin, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app, and then at the top of the screen, at the top section, you have to select the buy crypto option, and then here you have to select the currency that you would like to buy. Here is the list and you can select. Then you have to type in the amount in USD, but if you click on that switch option, now you have to type in how many Bitcoin you would like to buy, and then you can see below that how much you will pay for that amount of crypto. And if you click on the buy, here you can see that you have to verify your account. If you click on that option, here you can see that you have to give some information about yourself, like the country, surname, last name, first name, ID, document type, and ID number. And after that you will be able to buy that cryptocurrency. And I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.